Hi everyone, it's Helen here and thank you for joining me today. So today's video is a little bit different because I want to show you something that's new to my craft room. I haven't opened it yet, so I kind of want to share this experience with you guys. Okay, so this video is going to be about these brand new, though they're new to me anyway, they've been around a while, the extended magnetic platform and the extended cutting plates for my standard sized Big Shot. That's the 6-inch wide, I think it's 6 inches. Yes, 6 inches wide Big Shot. So this is just your normal standard Big Shot, not the Big Shot Plus. And I've wanted these extended plates for a while now, and I finally went ahead and got them. So let me quickly show you my current setup before we move on, and this will help explain why I've made my choices the way I have done. So my current setup is this white Big Shot here, and I have the magnetic platform just there. I'm trying not to get the glare. So I absolutely adore this magnetic platform because, as you can see, they've got these little circles here and it just holds everything in place, and it literally sandwiches your cardstock right in place, and you can do intricate dies, especially if you're die cutting stamped shapes with the matching dies, those sorts of things. And my cutting plates, now these ones I upgraded to glittery silver ones. I think you could probably get gold ones as well, and I think over time they've released different colours in glitter, and you can get different shades, but these are also by Sizzix. Now this one here is my cutting mat, and it is completely flat, and so is my top plate. So a couple of tips here. This lives like this, and when you, after a few times of die cutting, you can get a little raised area. It's hard to show you because I don't really have one, but as you die cut, it kind of raises up in the middle, and if you can squish it down like that, all you have to do is just turn it over just like that and then carry on. Now here is my top plate. I call it my top plate because I do not use it for die cutting whatsoever, and this keeps it absolutely flat as a pancake. And now that always lives on the top, and that is basically my sandwich. I absolutely love this one, so I knew that if I wanted to go for the longer dies that aren't as wide so it will fit through, then I can literally just go for the extended platform instead of fiddling around with my big A4 machine. So let's pop this aside. I thought I'd treat myself to the extended one. So this is the magnetic version, but you can also get just the standard one without the magnetic, and that is a lot cheaper than the magnetic one. But I'm fussy. I want the magnetic one. It makes life so much easier when you're doing precision die cuts. I just like everything being held in place and not using tape. So I haven't actually opened these yet, so this is the first time you're seeing this. A very handy piece of cardboard there. Maybe I could turn that into a mini album cover. I like to utilise things like that. So this does come with a health warning as well, because it's a magnetic field. If you're a pacemaker, I would avoid that definitely, if you wear a pacemaker. Right, so here we are. There's the magnetic platform. I can sort of see the circles in there. They'll become more visible as we use it. And here are my cutting plates. And again, I will leave all of the links to these down below as well. I will leave the link for the ordinary extended platform too. There we go. You can kind of see me there. Hi guys. Right, I'm wearing my glasses today. Okay, so this is going to be my bottom plate. I've decided this is the one that's going to get all cut into, and this one here is going to stay like that, hopefully I don't forget and get them mixed up. Okay, so the die set that I'm going to be using today is a nice long one. Now this is from my new collection, Where Did You Get That Hat? And this is going to be demonstrated on Facebook Live on the Craft Stash channel and on the Craft Stash Facebook page. I'm going to be doing an hour's live show demonstrating this hat here, and this is the hat here that it makes. It's a beautiful shaped hat, and it comes off, and it's a gift box. I need to cover the teeth on the inside there for the tabs, but it's a beautiful hat there, and then you can decorate that with lace, with leaves and floral accents, beads, pearls, whatever floats your boat on that sort of thing. Okay, so back to this one. I'm going to be using this long die here. So instead of going out and getting my big machine, I'm going to use this one. There we go. That brings me joy already. Did you see that? That just literally just went, I'm stuck in place, I'm not moving. That brings me absolute joy, that does. Okay, so I am going to have to cut down my cardstock. So this is my brand new paper as well from the paper pad. And this one is my absolute favourite pattern from the entire pad. So you can have a sneak peek if you want of my new collection. That is now available on the Craft Stash website. I will leave links to that down below. And I have tutorials for everything already made. I just need to go live with those ones too. So everything is there ready to go. So this is now going to fit on there perfectly. So let's pop this aside. Just grabbing my other plate. This is going to be the top plate. Okay, let's bring the machine in. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's see. So here is our brand new, our first christening of the plate. That is my first mark. Right, let's pop this out. That's really good. I love that. It has curled my die a bit, but that's just the nature of having the dies. But you can just literally just don't bend it or put too much pressure on it at all. Just literally just do that, and it should straighten it out quite a bit. Just don't put too much force, or you could get bends and kinks in there, and no one wants that on their dies. Okay, so it's done all the score lines here. I can push all those down. That's good. And on this side too, there's no score line here because we're making a circle. So I'm really happy with that performance. I can't wait to use this again on all of my others, because I do have other die sets that are like this, that have these long ones, and it just means I don't have to, you know, faff around with my big machine. I can just grab this out, keep it handy, and run that through. So I'm really pleased with that. Okay, so I'm going to be going live on Friday for my new collection, so I hope you can join me then. I will leave all the links on my social media to follow those, or you can alternatively look up the Craft Stash Facebook page and join the video there. And I believe it will be on craftworld.com as well. It will be broadcast there, and also on the Craft Stash YouTube channel. And I'll be demonstrating how to make this hat here, and a brand new handbag as well. That's really gorgeous. And yeah, so please join me and Lou. I think it's at 1. No, it could be 12:30. They changed the time. I think it's 12:30 GMT, so it's just after lunchtime this Friday. So I think that's the 5th. Yes, Friday the 5th. And if I can find a link, I will add it to the bottom here in the description box. So everything that I've used today and all the other information you need to know will be linked down below. I think that's everything I need to say. So I love this. If you can afford to get one, or have been thinking about getting one, give it a go, give it a try. It's got my recommendation. Okay, so thank you very much for joining me today. Give me a thumbs up if you found this useful, and I'll see you again very soon.